Utumeka is acting weird. Zoleka caught her listening to Kawe's heart, lost in thoughts, and later on Lazarus found her calling Ukawe Likamva. Tlati gave some comforting words to Zethu, and Sydney wants Ulandle to confess to the Mamandlas. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Utumeka is busy preparing to go and take care of Ukawe because she said she wants to take care of Ukawe. Wanting to get close to Ukawe, she's busy picking her kid as a caregiver. He's even picking a stethoscope with the Utlati is even shocked. Why are you bringing that attire? That's what they taught us as a caregiver, and to have everything in case you need to listen to the heart. Hi, Utlati was just busy looking at my pictures, le photo frame yabantwana bakhe, all 4 of them that they gave him as on his that Ulikamva gave to him on Christmas Day. And then Utumeka then ignores Uyanga and leaves to go take care of Kawe. Utatakena is so busy that Uyanga feels so ignored because he could not even help in homework, busy preoccupied ngento kuthola who caused the hit and run kalikamva. And then Utumeka gets over there kwaZoleka, saying Guti she wants to take care of Kawe. Kawe is apologizing, Guti, I know this can't be easy for you, Guti. Kamva is now with me. Ati, no, sis, you don't feel bad. This is none of your fault. I'm checking BP. The next thing, takes out the stethoscope to check his heart. Yo! Afake ke Utumeka izinto zakhe zokupompola inhliziyo and starts listening to Kawe's heartbeat. Yo, she was so lost, ne? She was definitely thinking good to Uva, uconnecta no likamva. So like comes a busy tum. Tumeka, she's so lost, like deep in thoughts. Azaza akfike uzoleka azomkhupha these things ezindlebeni so that she can hear. Good house, sis, are you okay? Because now umuntu lost in thoughts, listening to Kawe's heart. She's even smiling. Ati how right sis, ati yeah, the right, because now Kawe is often saying, this is weird. This is so weird, and they're starting to wonder, and then she quickly just at the script saying, I was listening to the heart. Now you should know as a mother, sit down, you know to know irregular heartbeat yakhe, so that you can know when it's not beating properly. And then afake kuzoleka ke lezinto zakhe emadlebeni apompola na inhliziyo kaQhawe. Zoleka then starts listening and says ukuthi she can hear it. Now she's smiling, saying oh, I can hear it. Now Qhawe wants to hear it as well, saying ukuthi hawe nami ngiqala ukuyiva. And then they also put these things Qhawe, so Qhawe can also listen to inhliziyo yakhe. Uzoleka was so fascinated, going on, oh my goodness, oh. And then bafake uQhawe ke, Qhawe starts listening. Now they're busy like also Qhawe was fascinated. Now Utumeka's looking at them ngala liso elithi nimamela inhliziyo yomntanami. You can just see ukuthi she's not there genuinely. She's there for her own agenda. I wonder what she's planning to do. She probably sees ulikamva uQhawe now that she has inhliziyo kalikamva. And then Lazarus says he's going to go look at Ubavumile before yolala. And then as he goes through the passage, he hears Utumeka singing to Qhawe. Utumeka is even sleeping over that. Singing to Qhawe, embambile embedeni, putting her to sleep, singing to Qhawe, busy calling her likamva. How? Lazarus is shocked and then peeps through the door. Utumeka ubamba uQhawe kaloku, singing to her, calling her Thula likamva wami, Thula likamva wami. What? Ungakhali. Now Lazarus is thinking this is all weird. Why is Utumeka calling uQhawe likamva? He's probably going to tell Uzoleka, I wonder what Zola's going to do. He's probably going to tell her to stop taking care of Qhawe, and that's going to be so painful. And then Uthulane and Xolani, they came to see Uhlati, and Uthulane finds it weird that all of a sudden Utumeka has had a change of heart after everything that she was saying with Qhawe. Now she's had a change of heart and she's taking care of Qhawe, saying this is a sudden change. Are you sure? Alrighty. Uhlati was like, no man, this is giving her purpose. Let's not look for trouble where there's none. Asiyeke man, asiyeke khulula. How? And then Zethu comes. They were outside on the streets. Zethu comes with her cousin. Uhlati gave some very nice ways of encouragement and comfort to Zethu, telling her ukuthi aqine uzoba right, and that and then they also just welcomed her, and they just welcomed her warmly, and sort of recognized ukuthi she's also in pain because she lost someone that she loved, and says ukuthi hayi sizoba-right mani mntanami, asiqine kuzawulunga. And then uSydney-ke tells uLwandle ukuthi if he doesn't go to the police station uzomdraga yena ngokwakhe, and says uLwandle then tries to blame uSydney, saying ukuthi bengiqothiwe emsebenzini, I was all over the place because of things that you and Linda did. Athi hey mina, I never said you must flee the scene. Kubuhleli, you should have stayed, called the ambulance and own up, but you fled the scene and left this kid to die. Athi sho ukuthi kufa umuntu wrong baba, because I should have died that day, not ulekamva. Now this words ukuthi uLwandle said you should have died that day. Now they're pointing on Sydney's mind. Even emsebenzini is distracted. Even Uzethu was shocked to how Mhlonishwa, are you okay? Decided to cancel his meetings and go back home. Africantly, that's okay, fine. What you said this morning like really bothered me the whole day. Good to you would even harm yourself or wish you were dead. So I'm going to do the ceremony because his mom has been begging Sydney to do ceremony, cleansing ceremony for Lwandle, so that his spirits must not haunt him. I said, okay, I'm going to do the cleansing. But after the cleansing ceremony, we're going to the Mabandlas. We need to confess and tell them what you did. At masivumelana ngalokho, I'm going to do the ceremony. But uHlengiwe does not seem to agree ngalokho. She's grateful ukuthi wenza umsebenzi, but leyo confessor. uHlengiwe is being a lawyer, not a mom to uLwandle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.